Yeah, and so something when it comes to the weather that you need to be aware of is heat is returning to the forecast, but we also saw a lot of rain last week, and so we are dealing with some river flooding and some creek flooding. So as far as Corpus Christi goes, we are above normal for our rainfall now. We are 2.67 inches above normal now that we've picked up 4.97 inches for the month of July. Rainfall totals across the area, you can see Beeville picking up over 4 inches of rain, Refugio more than 10 inches or nearly 10 inches of rainfall. Bayside, almost 7 inches of rain. Ingleside, over 6 inches of rain. Of course, Padre Island coming up with the most rainfall for last week, 13.57 inches. When we take a look at radar, all of this rain is making it into some of our creeks and rivers. In particular, up toward B County and Refugio County are two locations we are watching very closely. There's a flood warning in place until later on this afternoon, but this flood warning actually may be adjusted because the Aransas River near Skidmore is actually riding a lot higher than originally anticipated or forecasted. So 80 structures or roads that are right near the Aransas River, which 181 is included in the flood warning, but it kind of depends on where the river kind of flows through that area. This is a region you're going to want to avoid areas downstream of B County. So as the river flows into portions of right there along the Aransas-San Patricio border, you've got to keep that in mind that this river is currently running at 17.5 feet, which is a moderate flood stage, and that water is only going to continue to travel downstream. So once again, this is the Aransas River currently running higher than expected near Skidmore. Over here at Copano Creek, this is about where we expected it to be. 12.06 feet is at minor flood stage, and it has been lowering. That's where it peaked. It's been lowering ever since yesterday at 10 p.m. Right now, here in Corpus Christi, all is calm. We've got nice flowing traffic across the Harbor Bridge. 94 degrees is your expected high temperature this afternoon. We still have a few rain showers. This will mostly be from Corpus Christi Bay up toward Refugio. That's where a lot of the energy is going to be today, but it's still very spotty action, mostly through the morning. Then we'll clear things out with mostly sunny skies this afternoon and hot temperatures. Look at that by 3 p.m. That's when we near 94 degrees. So as far as our highs go, we're going to be hot. We're going to see high temperatures increasing throughout the week. Heat index values right around 110, and that has to do with this area of high pressure. We just talked about the tropics. We've got a tropical wave that we're watching really closely that has a chance of developing. But at this point, we're just watching, not worrying about it entering the Gulf of Mexico, but it will be headed toward the northern Caribbean, potentially somewhere near Florida into the weekend. Saharan dust is going to move in for us Tuesday through Friday. We'll really notice it on Wednesday. Barbie, John Thomas.